Okay, hopefully this one will come out a little better than the other. I got the right format, maybe. I'm holding the camera sideways. So it's a 2006 Cayman. Got an LS3 525 in there. We're almost ready to get the engine wiring package in. Got the subframe, trans mounts, engine mounts, all that kind of stuff in there. Let's walk around to the engine, the front of the engine. You can see there's a seat. So, a little more down here. So we got a little more. That would be the transmission, more of the subframing, shift linkage. Anyway, it shouldn't, really not a whole lot of work to do to get it to run. Fill up the holes. That's a little more work. So let me see if I can get over the other side. You can see the chain is just there, just in case I need it. But the engine's actually held in by its own mounts. Should be able to use the factory radiators anyway to start it, run it for a little bit, but definitely want to put all new radiators in there. I suppose I could even put a fourth one in, or just a larger, completely larger custom one. But I definitely want to replace the 3 factory radiators. I haven't got the shift linkage in yet. This was an automatic car, so having ordered some more parts and anyway, that's what we got so far. Hopefully I'd like to drive it to SEMA this year, but I'm not really sure if I could probably get it running and throw a welding blanket over it and drive it, but man, it would be noisy. Anyway, talk to you guys later.